Welcome again, students, in online classes of science organized by our school LFS Madhupuram Basti. Come to the topic, students. First of all, open your book. Open your book. Activity 2, Activity 3, Activity 4 are given in your book serial wise. They are given in your book together. Activity 2, Activity 3, Activity 4. I am going to explain each activity one by one. Activity 2 is given in your book regarding chlorophyll is essential, chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Students, I am going to prove how you can prove this that during photosynthesis process chlorophyll is needed. How you can prove? For proving this thing, we will take a leaf which is of croton, that is variegated leaf. Do you know variegated leaf? Variegated leaf means such a leaf which is of multicolor, green, brown and yellowish. I think all of you seen this leaf, this plant all of you have seen. सिंगल लीफ होती है, उसी का कलर येलो भी होता है, उसी का कलर ग्रीन भी होता है. किसी किसी में जैसे बोगनविलिया के केस में उसी का कलर पिंक भी होता है. एनीवे, you will take croton leaf which is an example of variegated leaf. अब इस variegated leaf को, croton की variegated leaf को अगर हम बॉयल करें वाटर में तो क्या होगा कि जितनी दूर में ग्रीन पिगमेंट अवेलेबल है उस लीफ में, उसी में स्टार्च होगा, और जितना दूर येलो कलर की लीफ है उसमें स्टार्च नहीं होगा. हम आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं बुक से. ये आपकी बुक है, ये आपका पेज है. सी हियर इज एक्टिविटी 2. This is variegated leaf, and in this variegated leaf the portion which is green, it contains chlorophyll, clear, and the portion which is yellowish, it doesn't contain chlorophyll. Then if we boil this leaf, then what happened? The green part contain starch and the yellowish part doesn't contain starch. In activity 1 I told you about tasting of starch, how you can taste starch. याद है? Can you remember that? How you can identify that starch is present in green leaf? How you can identify? If we put iodine solution on starch, as I told you in activity number 1, if we put iodine solution also, it is blue solution. I am showing you. This is iodine solution, students. Iodine solution, blue color solution. If we put iodine solution on starch, then it turns blue-black. It means starch is present. So by this activity, you can prove that starch is present only in those parts of leaf which are green in color. So it is clear that photosynthesis occurs in chlorophyll only. The place of leaf where there is no chlorophyll, photosynthesis doesn't occur. Clear? Now come to activity 3. In activity 3 we are going to prove that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Sunlight is very essential for photosynthesis. For this activity, for this proveness to prove that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, you can take a leaf. और हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों, ये हमने एक लीफ ले लिया, हम यहाँ पे इसके ब्लैक कलर का पेपर टैग कर देंगे। ये हमने ब्लैक कलर का पेपर टैग कर दिया। इस पे हमने टेप भी लगा दिया जिससे लाइट इस ब्लैक कलर के पोर्शन से बिल्कुल भी कर रहा है। इसको हमने पेपर क्लिप से या पेपर क्लिप यहाँ पे लगा दिया। पेपर क्लिप लगा दिया। अब क्या होगा, सनलाइट में इस पार्शियल पॉट को हमने रख दिया, ठीक है। अब क्या होगा कि सनलाइट सिर्फ इस पोर्शन में और इस पोर्शन में पड़ेगी। सनलाइट इस पोर्शन पे नहीं पड़ेगी क्योंकि हमने ब्लैक पेपर से इसको कवर कर दिया है, ठीक है। थोड़ी देर छोड़ देते हैं, इवनिंग तक छोड़ देते हैं इस गमले को हम धूप में। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे हम इसका टेस्ट करते हैं। तो क्या हमको मिलेगा कि जितना पोर्शन में हमने ये ब्लैक पेपर लगाया था उतने पोर्शन में फूड नहीं प्रिपेयर हुआ है। मीन्स photosynthesis process not done in this portion which is covered by black paper, and photosynthesis continued in these portions which are not covered by black paper or black polythene. Then what happens? Again, if we taste for starch here, then starch is not present. And if we taste starch here, then starch is present. Keep this thing in your mind that you should read whole activity. You should study about whole activity 3 which is given in the book regarding this experiment to show that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Starch, if we taste for the starch here, then starch is not present, starch is absent here, and starch is present here and here. It means that sunlight which is come from the sun contains photons. Those are that are energy packets, as I told you in previous online class. Sunlight is needed, sunlight is very essential, sunlight is very necessary for photosynthesis. Clear? Now come to activity 4 which is given in your book. आप अपनी बुक में भी एक्टिविटी 4 देखिए। एक्टिविटी 4 is regarding plant release oxygen during photosynthesis. इस बात को प्रूव कर रहा है कि plant release oxygen during photosynthesis। चलिए इस एक्टिविटी को देखते हैं। क्या करेंगे कि we will take an aquatic plant. What are aquatic plants? What are aquatic plants? आलोक चौधरी, सौम्या यादव, अंशिका, आप लोग रिप्लाई करेंगे तभी हम आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। Aquatic plants means those plants which used to live inside the water. They are known as aquatic plant. One example of aquatic plant is hydrilla. Hydrilla is a aquatic plant. ठीक है, क्या करेंगे? आपके बुक में दिया हुआ है, एक बीकर लेंगे, इस बीकर में हम एक फनेल ऐसा रख देंगे। फनेल जानते हैं कि आपके घर में होगा ये फनेल। यहाँ भी हाइड्रिला का प्लांट है, ये हाइड्रिला का प्लांट हमने रख दिया, ठीक। ये फनेल है, इसको हम कीप भी कहते हैं, फनेल। दिस इज बीकर फिल्ड विथ वाटर, इसमें वाटर भी है, ठीक है। दिस इज वाटर, दिस इज हाइड्रिला प्लांट, हाइड्रिला प्लांट। If we put this arrangement into sunlight, then what happens? When sunlight falls on the leaves of hydrilla, then photosynthesis takes place, and after photosynthesis, oxygen gas release here. If we put a test tube here, then what happens? Here bubbles are seen. here water bubbles also, and here oxygen gas O2. Now, when photosynthesis takes place in Hydra plant, then during photosynthesis, oxygen gas is released, carbon dioxide used. Understood? Now, this oxygen goes into the test tube upward. Now, to prove that the gas present here is oxygen, if we put a matchstick here or agarbatti here, then that matchstick become burn with flame, because oxygen is supportive gas for burning. तो ये ऑक्सीजन है, इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हमको केवल एक जलती हुई मैच स्टिक लानी है यहाँ पे, या हमको अगरबत्ती की स्टिक लानी है, वो और तेज जलने लगेगी, तो ये प्रूव हो जाएगा कि ये गैस ऑक्सीजन है. So students, by this activity we can prove very easily that oxygen gas is liberated during photosynthesis. Clear? After that, in your book, heterotrophic mode of nutrition is given. Let's take an overlook on heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Although we will study about this topic, about this type of nutrition next online class. Heterotrophic nutrition is such mode of nutrition in which any living organism is not able to prepare its own food by itself, but for its food it depends on other autotrophs. Clear? This heterotrophic nutrition, as written in your book, is of three types. Number one, saprotrophic nutrition. Number two, parasitic nutrition. And number three, symbiotic nutrition or symbiosis. What is saprotrophic nutrition? Saprotrophic nutrition is such mode of, listen very carefully, please Anshika, Alok. Saprotrophic nutrition is such mode of nutrition in which any living organism take its food from dead and decay organic material. Once again I am repeating, saprotrophic nutrition is such mode of nutrition in which any living organism is able to take nutrition from dead and decay organic material. इसका एग्जाम्पल बता दें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मशरूम खाते हैं, मशरूम की सब्जी खाते हैं, तो वो मशरूम जो है वो एग्जाम्पल है saprotrophic nutrition का. मशरूम क्या है? मशरूम इज अ फंजाई. ओके. नाउ second one is parasitic mode of nutrition. This parasitic is of two types as written in your book. One is total parasitic and second one is partial parasitic. When one living organism take its food from other living, then it is parasitic mode of nutrition. अब कोई होते हैं जो टोटल पैरासिटिक होते हैं, टोटल फूड लेते हैं हम लोग उसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से, और कोई ऐसे भी होते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स जो पार्शियली डिपेंड होते हैं अपने होस्ट पे. व्हाट इज होस्ट, व्हाट इज सिम्बायोसिस, व्हाट इज saprotrophic mode of nutrition, what is partial parasitic, about all these things we will study in later online class. Students, this is all for today. Now be ready for answering my questions. Be ready, don't go anywhere. Okay? Thank you class 7. Thank you.